Yes, the students of class ninth, welcome back to the next chapter, A Truly Beautiful Mind. Now we are heading towards a new chapter, Truly Beautiful Mind. In this chapter, we are going to study about the biography of Albert Einstein. We all know very well that Albert Einstein was a famous scientist. He was very genius. Okay, so here we are going to move towards the story of the life of Albert Einstein. Who was Albert Einstein and what are the main what I can say events in his life that we are going to study today. So let's begin with the chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind, chapter 4, class ninth. Okay, so let's begin with our new chapter, A Truly Beautiful Mind. Before you read, what do you think of when you hear the word genius? Who is a genius? What qualities do you think a genius has? So, according to you, what do you mean by the word genius? Who is a genius and what are the different qualities of a genius? Genius, in our terms, we can say that an intelligent person with all the qualities. Okay, all rounder sort of person is known as genius, but genius especially is considered in terms of studies. Intelligent, bright, very bright student, very intelligent one is called as genius. Very sharp brain power, that is known as genius. We shall now read about a young German civil servant who took the world by storm about 100 years ago. In the summer of 1905, the 26-year-old published in quick succession four groundbreaking papers about light, the motion of particles, the electrodynamic of moving bodies, and energy. These are the inventions of, or we can say the discoveries or the theories of Albert Einstein. His work took up only a few pages in scientific journals but changed forever our understanding of space, time, and the entire cosmos and transformed the name Einstein into a synonym for genius. 50 years after his death, Albert Einstein's genius still reigns. We all know very well about Albert Einstein and still we are reading about his inventions, discoveries, about his biographies and so many things. Albert Einstein, though he is dead, but it's still he is alive between among us through his deeds. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in the German city of Ulm without any indication that was destined for greatness on that was destined that he was destined for greatness. On the contrary, his mother thought Albert was a freak. To her, his head seemed too much large. Freak means a person who is not able to behave properly, a child who is not able to behave properly, or whose actions or the way of talking are different from others, that not appear as a normal child. In simple terms we can say, to his head seemed much too large, और उनके लिए उसका जो अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन का जो सिर था वो बहुत बड़ा था. At the age of 2.5, Einstein still was not talking. कितने साल के, जब 2.5 साल के हो गए थे आइंस्टाइन, तब भी वो बोल नहीं पाते थे. A normal child learns talking at the age of 1 year only. When he finally did learn to speak, he uttered everything twice. और जब वो दोबारा बोलना शुरू भी किए तो वो हर चीज को दो बार बोलते थे. Einstein did not know what to do with other children. एंड हिज प्लेमेट्स कॉल्ड हिम ब्रदर बोरिंग. और आइंस्टाइन को किसी की कंपनी भी अच्छी नहीं लगती थी. ही वॉज जस्ट अ पर्सन, सोर्ट ऑफ पर्सन दैट हु ट्राइड टू लिव लोनली. ओके, और उनके जो प्लेमेट्स थे, जो उनके रिश्तेदार थे, वो भी उनको क्या बोलते थे, ब्रदर बोरिंग. सो द यंगस्टर प्लेड बाय हिमसेल्फ, इसलिए वो अपने आप से ही खेला करते थे. लेट्स रीड द नोट विच इज गिवन बिलो. Otto Neubauer, the historian of ancient mathematics, told a story about the boy Einstein that he characterizes as a legend, but that seems fairly authentic. As he was a late talker, his parents were worried. At last, at the supper table one night, he broke his silence to say, "The soup is too hot." Greatly relieved, his parents asked why he had never said a word before. Albert replied, "Because up to now everything was in order." अब वो क्या कहते हैं कि आपने पहले कभी कोई बात क्यों नहीं कही, आप आज ही कंप्लेन कर रहे हो. ही ब्रोक साइलेंस, वो हमेशा चुप रहते थे, पर उन्होंने पहली बार कहा जब वो टेबल पर बैठे थे शाम के समय अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, तो उन्होंने कहा कि द सूप इज़ वेरी हॉट. तो पेरेंट्स ने क्या कहा, ग्रेटली रिलीव्ड, दे फील अ रिलीफ दैट द चाइल्ड इज एबल टू स्पीक नाउ. तो उन्होंने पूछा कि आज तक तुमने एक भी शब्द हमसे क्यों नहीं बात करी. अल्बर्ट रिप्लाइड, इसीलिए क्योंकि अभी तक सब ठीक ठाक चल रहा था और मुझे कुछ बोलने की ज़रूरत ही महसूस नहीं हुई. ओके, सो ही वॉज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट टाइप ऑफ फेलो who used to talk only when the condition was there to speak about something. So the youngster played by himself much of time. He especially loved mechanical toys. Looking at his newborn sister, Maza, he is said to have said, "Fine, fine, but where are her wheels?" उनको कैसे toys अच्छे लगते थे? He just liked mechanical toys. That means the helicopters, the planes, the cars, such type of the things only which was having something scientific to look at, or those were having wheels. Just like a boy loves the cars and all the scientific toys only, he was also in the love with the same type of toys. But what happened when his sister was born, and looking at his newborn sister, he complained to his mother that where are the wheels of this girl, or where are the wheels of this my sister. A headmaster once told his father that what Einstein chose as a profession wouldn't matter because he will never make a success at anything. And laughing at Einstein, once his headmaster complained, his principal complained that whatever profession he will choose in his life, कुछ भी वो करेंगे अपनी लाइफ में कोई मैटर नहीं करता. Why? Because he will never be